Video quote for the day. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. May West. What's up, Z Nation? Welcome back to another video from This is ZZTV. So, by the title of the video, you already know today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of shoes, which happen to be the same color as my green juice. And if you want to drink some green juice with me, go ahead and just click the link in the description or the comment section of this video, and we all can drink some green juice together. We can even do a juice cleanse. I think that'd be a good idea. Yeah. How about one or two people do a juice cleanse with me? We can all pick the time in the day we can do it. Yeah, let's do that. So we got our green juice, and we're gonna be opening, or unboxing I should say, our green shoes. All right? So if you know your girl, you already know I would say kind of sort of a sneakerhead. Okay, I'll say this. Mentally, I'm a sneakerhead. Physically, I may not have all the shoes in the world, but I got quite a few pair. But I got some Air Force Ones, and I really like Air Force Ones. I've been liking Air Force Ones since I was a teenager. And today, that's what I'm going to be unboxing. These are called Women's Air Force Ones 07 LX. This word is gorge, because I was saying gorgy. But the color is Gorge Green, right? So here they go. Oh my gosh, this box is falling. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, here we go. Y'all see that? This is a nice Air Force One. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. So let's get into the shoe. We get a little closer. Wanna get a little closer, baby. Pretty Ricky on them boys. All right. So as you can see, this is leather. Then we have suede. So we got two materials going on right here. I already like it. Okay. Let's see, back here. Got your Nike sign on the side, in the back. You got your, what y'all call this, gum bottom? See, I'm a sneakerhead mentally. I told y'all that. Shh, tell nobody else. But I think this is called like a gum bottom, right? Let me see. Let's check out the tongue. I like that. Got a little gold. Man, this shoe is fire. Then right here, got your little Air Force One logo. Let's see. Had to pull out the little shoe thingy. So on the inside, Nike Air Force One. Oh, and let me say this too. Wait a minute. Hold up. Let me say this too. While you in the description or the comment section of this video, if you choose to do so, go ahead if you want to. If you're going to be shopping for shoes like this, like for example, if you're going to be getting Nikes, Jordans, Adidas, all those different type of shoes, you can earn cash back when you shop at stores like Nike, Foot Locker, JD Sports, etc. Click the link in the description of this video to create you a free Rakuten account if you want to, so you can start earning cash back. I know whenever I shop for shoes online, I'm always trying to earn me some cash back. So if the store that I shop with or shop through has cash back, best believe I am using my Rakuten account to shop through there so I can earn some cash back, okay? So that's just a little nugget for you. Like I said, the link, is in the description of the video and the comment section. So you can get you some green juice if you want to, and you can get you some shoes. Now, the green juice, that's a separate link, okay? And also, too, it's not just green juice, it's other juices. Like I said, you can do a juice cleanse if you want. But yeah, check out the links if you want to. Back to the shoe. Okay. So with this Air Force One, I'm going to try it on, and I'm going to see if y'all can see it. Give me just a moment. Hold on. Let me see if y'all can see the shoe on my foot. I'm gonna tie the shoe up. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, this not gonna work. I can get my foot up there. Let me see, maybe if I put it on this foot. You know what, I'm gonna just take it off. So anyways, I like the way the shoe feels like any other Air Force One, but this design is so fire and different. And see, when I get shoes, I like to be like a showstopper or a head turner. I want people to be like, dang, where you get those shoes from? So you're not hardly ever gonna catch me with just like a plain Jane shoe. Sometimes, because I got a black pair of Air Force Ones, but those are like everyday shoes. But shoes like this, I feel like this is different. Cause look at that, suede and leather. Y'all ain't rocking the suede and the leather. Let me stop. But I just wanted to make this video fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of my unboxing of my Nike Air Force One. And here's the other shoe too. Here's the other shoe. And these are women's shoes. If you want to send me a pair of shoes, if you want to buy me a pair of shoes, just let me know in the comment section. I'll tell you what size I wear. You can give me any kind. As you can see, I like Air Force Ones and Nikes. So if you want to give me a pair of Air Force One, I'm all to it, you know. But yeah. All right, leave me a comment below and let me know. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think these are? What you rate these? I'm going to give them, I'll give them, and these were a gift to me too. Let me see. I'm trying to see, what would I rate these? 1 to 10. I'd probably give them an 8. I'll give them an 8. What you give them? All right, but this is ZZTV. Empress Z, Queen Z, signing out. I'll catch y'all in the next video.